Hello and welcome to Soliloquy. In this brief tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create your first slider. The first thing you want to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. From the admin area, go down to Soliloquy, add new. We'll choose the default settings and create slideshow. Here we can give it a title. And we can drag and drop the files from our computer, or we can choose upload from other sources. I'll do that. You can pick all the images that you want from here, and as you notice when you're picking them, there's a little arrow that comes up. If you want to unselect one, just click on it again to remove it from the selection. Once you have all the images that you want, go ahead and click Insert into Slider. Now when we scroll down, you'll see them all here. You can drag and drop them however you want. You see this little blue area. This is where you can select it to edit the metadata. So we'll do that now. Once it opens up, you can see that you can add the information for the alt text, caption area, and other choices depending on which add-ons you have activated. So you'll want to add the metadata for all of your images. And when you're finished, click Save Metadata. Once you have all those finished, we can go through and go to the Config tab and configure it how we want. The main slider theme is the base. If you have the themes add-on, then you'll see these others here. For image size, you can choose from the drop-down. And I'll just scroll through and show you some of the other configurations that you can do. I'm going to leave many of these as the default settings. Moving on, you want to check the mobile area. And with mobile, all of our sliders are mobile responsive. However, if you want to add a little bit more granularity to your mobile, you can choose that here. And you can choose the exact mobile dimensions that you want for your mobile slider. And that looks okay. And then we'll go down to the miscellaneous. Again, many of these options are available depending on which add-ons you have. But this is where you can change the slider title, the slug of the slider. If you have CSS enabled, you can add the CSS, custom CSS here. Everything looks pretty good, and I'm happy with my slider, so I'll click Publish. All right, now that we've created our slider, we want to add it to a post or a page. You can add a slider to any custom post type as well, if you have them. I'm going to add this to a new page, so I'm going to fill out the information there. And you see this new button here. You can click Add Slider, and we're using the new slider, slideshow, so I'm going to insert that here. You see it automatically adds the shortcode for your Soliloquy slider. That's all you need to do, and you can click Publish. And now we can look at it and see what it looks like on the site. And there's your first slider in action.
If you have any questions, please look through our helpful documentation. For further assistance, you can submit a support ticket, and we would be more than happy to help.